Hi there everybody, welcome to the SaxTuition YouTube channel. My name's Jeremy. Today I'm going to be answering the question, is the saxophone hard to learn? Now I'm going to take a slightly different approach for this video and answer the question at the very start. No, the saxophone isn't hard to learn. In fact, it's one of the easiest wind instruments to start on. Now, I don't want to pretend to you that you'll pick up the saxophone overnight and it'll all just come together. Like any instrument, it does take practice. But as far as starting on a new instrument, I couldn't think of a better instrument to learn on. Now, if you're familiar with this channel, you know that I quite often promote the SaxTuition Beginner Series, which is a complete package for learning the saxophone, which I sell through the SaxTuition website. And you might be thinking to yourself, well, of course you would say that the saxophone easy to learn because I want more people to start the saxophone. Well, that is true, but I'm going to walk you through specifically why the saxophone is easy to learn, and I'm going to show you why it's a great instrument to start on. So let's start by looking at these keys. Now, the fact that the saxophone has so many keys on it often leads beginners to think that it's actually a really complicated instrument. But in fact, having this many keys is a real blessing. If you have a close look at the keys, you'll notice that they're spaced apart very deliberately to match the curvature of the human hand. This is an instrument that's very ergonomic and has really been designed with the player in mind. And what do you notice under each key? A leather pad. Now that might not seem very remarkable, but when you compare it to the clarinet, which is actually quite a similar instrument, it makes a huge difference. You see, with the clarinet, when you're pressing your fingers down, you need to make sure that you're covering that hole completely, because even if you're just a millimeter out and you let the air escape, you'll notice problems with the pitch and with the tone. The beauty of the saxophone is all we need to do is press these keys down and we get an instant seal. So we don't have to be quite as accurate with exactly where we place our fingers. Now there's another secret to the saxophone which makes it quite easy to learn in those earlier stages, and it's this little key on the back here that we hit with our left-hand thumb. It's called the octave key. And what it does is it takes whatever fingering we're playing in the lower register and it brings that note up by a whole octave. So we go from low to high just by pressing one little button. And what that means is that we don't have to go back and relearn a bunch of fingerings for our upper register. We just press that one button. So what about producing a sound out of the saxophone? Is that difficult? Well, the saxophone is a woodwind instrument, and although it's often confused for a member of the brass family, it actually works a lot differently to an instrument like the trumpet or the trombone. You see, for those instruments, they have to create a buzz with their mouth, and they blow that into the instrument and then it creates a beautiful sound for them. And it kind of sounds like blowing raspberries. Now on the saxophone, we don't need to do that. Because we're a woodwind instrument, we have a reed attached to the mouthpiece. So all we need to do is to blow in, and in fact that reed creates the buzz for us. If we were to take the mouthpiece off the saxophone completely, we can hear that sound. It sounds a little bit like a kazoo. So playing the saxophone can be a lot less physically demanding than the trumpet or trombone, because those guys, they have to actually make the sound themselves with their lips, and as they get higher and higher, they have to squeeze more and more. That's a lot different to the saxophone. We don't have to squeeze nearly as much. So guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you got a lot out of it. If you've got any more questions about learning the saxophone, please do leave them in the comments section below. And if you liked the video, then please like and subscribe to us on YouTube. And if you're really interested in learning the saxophone and you want to know more, check out the SaxTuition website and check out the Beginner Series, which is that complete package for learning the saxophone from scratch. It's got 12 lesson videos, it's got a 68-page ebook, and it's packed full of hundreds of play-along tracks for you to play along with. So check it out, it's on the SaxTuition website. Thanks again guys, and I'll see you all again soon.